I'm once again late to the party with this, but better late than never, right? I finally got my hands on the discovery set of Maison Margiela with the Replica collection. Let's start with Springtime in a Park. Alright, so I'll be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed in this 2019 release. I mean, it's a nice, fresh, solar scent, but I think you could get something similar and a bit more unique with the Jardin collection by Hermès. Don't get me wrong, it's a lovely scent, but I am a bit underwhelmed by this one. The next one is Beach Walk. I might be really difficult, but this too to me smells really generic. A creamy, fruity floral, with notes of coconut, ylang ylang, with a creamy suntan lotion vibe. I might be getting a little bit pickier at this point. The next one is When the Rain Stops. This one has a clear scent of petrichor. Think of wet soil and minerals. It's balanced out with woody and green notes, with a dash of florals in the middle. I'm not mad at this one, but the collection does feel pretty stereotypical. The next one is Sailing Day. This one is a clear aquatic with ozonic features. I love the use of aldehydes in this one, and especially coriander. I think this one channels well its name. I would like a little bit more payoff with this one, to be honest. Alright, and the next one is Autumn Vibes. This one so far is my favorite. I'm in love with the interesting mix of notes. Cardamom, pink pepper, nutmeg, maple, carrot seed on a bed of cedar and moss. It also has a bit of a Santal 33 vibe. So total thumbs up for this one. Make sure to follow, I have 5 more perfumes to discover.